Today we're going to be working on our ch sound. The ch sound is also called our chopping sound. Ch, ch, ch. To make the sound, we use our tapping sound t and our quiet sound sh together. Start with your tongue behind your teeth as if you're making the tapping sound. Build up pressure and make the sh sound. This all happens very quickly. Ch, ch, ch. This sound is a quiet sound, which means your voice is off. You should feel no buzzing in your throat. Ch, ch, ch. I'm going to say this sound 3 times. Ch, ch, ch. This sound appears in words like cheek, beach, and nachos.